Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be complicated. Today we're taking a look at a really fun, really simple cocktail that you can prep the glassware for a wow factor when entertaining 1 or 20 individuals. And it's called the snow globe cocktail. And really a lot of it is all built around creating a really cool snow globe in a glass. You'll start by adding a decent number of cranberries depending on the size of your glass. We're just looking to create a small layer of, a couple of inches here on the bottom. And you're gonna use fresh cranberries, but if you don't have fresh cranberries, you can use frozen cranberries in a pinch. Then you're gonna add water over top of the cranberries, but not so much that until they start to float. And then you're gonna place a sprig of rosemary in the center. And this is gonna be your Christmas tree in the middle of the snow globe. Take this, transfer it into your freezer, and let it freeze for 3 to 6 hours until it freezes, or you could even do it overnight. Once you have your glass, you'll add 1.5 ounces of gin. Now, if you're feeling like an especially strong drink, you can always go up to 2 or even more ounces of gin. We're gonna top that off with a generous pour of Prosecco, and easy as that, you have a snow globe. It's simple, it's elegant. If people want to, kind of zhuzh this up with a little bit of lemon juice or a little bit of simple syrup, just as easy as that, you have a French 75. But this makes it nice and easy when you're entertaining a bunch of guests. Prepare your glass, pour it out, and enjoy catching up with the people you love. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, especially if you have any questions or there's cocktails that you'd like to see on the show. Since it is the holiday season, please be sure to drink responsibly as you're out and about catching up with your loved ones, because we don't want anybody ending up on Santa's naughty list. Unless you're into that sort of thing. And then go right ahead. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.